I created the most viewed info product VSL in the history of YouTube. This VSL amassed 9.5 million views, grew my channel by 184,000 subscribers, and paid me $250,000 in YouTube AdSense. But most importantly, it put $20 million in my pocket.
But what if I told you that by sitting at home, you could make millions of dollars? The question is how? You see, many YouTubers are talking about making a personal brand in 2025. 2019 to 2022 were the years of dropshipping. Then SMMA started. And then is 2025 the year of personal branding? In this video, I will break down every step of creating a personal brand from scratch. And I divide my video into 4 steps: building, working, swapping to a personal brand, relaxing, and chilling. Let's jump into it. From zero investment, what business model comes inside your brain? Think of it for a second. In my mind, it's making content because of 3 reasons. Number 1, because it's free. Number 2, you get some fame. And number 3, thereafter, you'll achieve financial freedom. Like Iman Gadzhi, he achieved 3 aspects of freedom: financial freedom, geographical freedom, and time freedom. Everybody has a personal brand. You know what I mean? You will be able to change your social media account into a personal brand at the end of the video. Before starting a personal brand, you need to say these key points to yourself. Number 1, I am making this personal brand to get attention. Number 2, I am making this personal brand to help my audience. Number 3, I am making this personal brand achieve every aspect of freedom. It's a long process. You have to make a detailed plan and work towards it. First, make a social media account and pick a theme like black, white, and golden. Then choose a niche. Let's say you choose a motivational niche and make a professional-looking dashboard, and your first step in building is complete. Now move to step 2. It is the hardest step because everyone builds the account, but the real part is how to start it. Remember what I told you. We have to make a detailed plan. So according to our plan, we make a motivational page on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Then here you have to decide, are you going to show your face or make a faceless channel? I think a channel in which you show your face goes well because you built a trust. Or if you are making a faceless channel, then after getting some audience, you should at least show your face once because of the trust. And of course, that in the future, you will sell your product. Then, daily make your video. Daily upload it. Look at this video.
The only shortcut to life is to never miss a day, because sometimes you get lucky. And you'll never miss a lucky day if you try every day.
Yeah, that's true. Sometimes you get lucky if you daily upload the video. And on one day, let's suppose your video got 100,000 views. And according to our plan, what do we have to do when we get some views? We are just now making a hype of our product because we got some audience. Now move to step 3. In this step, we will change our channel into a personal brand. Yeah, now when our video gets some views, then we will make its hype. Then tell your audience that our product is launching very soon. Or say that my team is working on some big projects, or something big is coming soon, and talk about it in every video. Rather, you get some audience. Who are listening to you? You build trust and then wait until your second video gets some views. Wait, we are running too fast. Hold on. Let me talk about what you are selling to your audience. First, if you are good at video editing, then you can sell the editing course or live session. Or let's say if you are good at speaking or motivating other people, then you can sell your course. Or if you are good at the gym and have a good physique, you can sell your high-class ticket or live gym session or even diet plan. That's how it works. You just have to join your profession into your product. Let's get back to the point where we are. So when your second video gets some views, then in the description, we will give the product link, and you successfully make your personal brand. Now move to step 4. Like Iman Gaji, when his video got 9.5 million views, YouTube paid him around $300,000. Then, he put the link to his product in the description, and his single video generated him 20 million plus revenue. So that's how it works. We just have to set a system that generates millions of dollars every year. Then, whether you are relaxing or sleeping, you're making money every single day. The most difficult part is to start. When you start, nothing will stop you. If this video hits 1,000 likes, I will reveal my secret detailed plan in another video. Hit the like button and comment down below if this video seems helpful to you. So, from miles away, I'm cheering for your success. Bye.